things?
All right. I'll be heading off soon. Toodaloo.
Go to sleep.
Mr. Lunt.
Yes, Haley. What's up?
I wanted to thank you. If you hadn't cast me in the play, I never would have overcome my stage fright.
Well, I'm glad I did. You gave a great performance.
Thank you. We're really going to miss you around here.
Thank you, Haley.
Oh, look, you dropped your keys.
Oh, no. These aren't mine. Hastings. Oh, they belong to Principal Hastings.
Oh, you look at the time. I've got to get going. Bye, Mr. Lunt.
Bye, Haley.
It worked. He's headed inside.
What in the world? Principal!
Great job. Let's hope this works.
Principal! Principal Hastings!
What happened?
I think you, fell asleep. I found these in the parking lot. I think they're yours.
Oh, yes, they are. Thank you. I remember making some copies, and then I guess you're right. I fell asleep. I'm so glad you came in.
Oh, don't worry about it. Let's get this cleaned up.
If it can happen to me, it can happen to anybody. Mr. Lunt, I shouldn't have fired you for making one silly little mistake. That was too harsh.
You mean that?
Yes, of course I do. And you know, today, one of your students, Preston Tian, he gave me a petition with over 100 signatures on it, all of them from students who wanted you to stay at this school, and I'm a fool for not listening to them. So will you stay?
Yes! Oh, I'd love to.
Mission accomplished.